Hello guys, I hope you guys are doing well in this pandemic. So I'm back with a brand new video again. In this video we are going to discuss what are the some basic Python codes. Simply we can call them as basic projects in Python. So I'm going to explain you guys in this video. So new viewers, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. So don't forget to like the video guys, just hit it up, it motivates me a lot. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Hope you guys install Python in your computer. If not, you can just open your browser and you can download it through there. Let me show you. Just type Python in your browser and go to the official site, and here you can go to the download section and download the latest version. For now the latest version is 3.8.5. just click it and it will be downloaded. After downloading, set up the PyCharm editor, which is an editor for PyCharm, which actually looks like this. So this is a PyCharm editor. So the projects today which I am going to show you in this video, I'll be editing in this PyCharm IDE. So the first one is a translator, which translates from one language to another language. So just go to your files and create a new Python file here. I'll just name it as trans.py. So here I'll just type the code. In order to run the translation program, we need a Python package called translator. We can install it. Before trying, you can install here in the terminal. I'm showing you pip install translate, which will install you the packages required for translating. Here requirement already satisfied, so I have already installed, so it's showing me in such a way. So you need to import them. I'm just importing from translate import. I just want to import translator. Translator is a sub function in the translate, so I'm just imported it just now. After importing, I just want to type translator, which is of capital T. Okay, let me delete translator equals to, I'm just typing translator, and we need to specify here from which language do we want to. As you can see here, they are showing some information what should be mentioned in this inside this function. So we need to mention from which language do we want to convert. Let's say for example I just want to convert from Spanish to English, so comma and to language, and here I'll just mention English. So that's the language. We need the output. So in the next line, I just want to print my result. Type result equals to, and translator dot, I just want to translate the thing which I have mentioned, which I will be mentioning in this function. Translate here, I just for now I just want to mention a Spanish word. For example, TMO, which is a Spanish one. Don't search this word in the dictionary. So in the next line, I just want to print my result. That's it for now, which will print the output for you. So save it. To run, Control Shift F10. I love you. The output of this is I love you. You know guys, I really love for your support. So this is the first one in this video. And one is the second project is that a simple one. Let me create a file, new file, again Python file, and the second one is to print the IP of my computer. So I'm just creating ip.py, and in this I just want to import one module called as socket. Socket is a program which will let you install all the requirements for connecting the computers through internet. So you can go through it a lot in detail in the Google. So I'm just importing the socket, and in the next line I just want to type a variable called host name. That's none other than me, and here I just want to type socket. I just want to get the host name, so I'm using this get host name function. I'm leaving this function as empty, and in the next line I just want to store my IP address. So for that I'm declaring this variable. In this variable I just want to again call the function socket dot, and in this I'm going to use get host by name function. So in this function I'm just going to declare my variable, define my variable, not define, I'm just mentioning my variable which is previously defined, host name, this one. So that's completed. In the next line I just want to print what I want to print. I just want to print my IP address, which the IP address which will get from this host name will be stored in this variable, and I just want to print this IP address. So save it and run it, Control Shift F10. So this is my IP address, guys. So this is the second code I just want to show you guys. And the last one is more exciting, that is text to speech. That means in this program whatever you type, we will get the output in an audio format. Sounds really great, right guys? So let me create a file again, Python file. So I just want to mention it tts, nothing but text to speech.py, and in this I just want to import some modules from gtts. Import g capital TTS, which is a function in the gtts. And in the next line I just want to import play sound. Play sound is a module in Python. You know, Python always runs with a lot of modules, and it makes Python simpler. I just want to import play sound, and in the next line I just want to store my audio. Whatever the audio it speaks, I just want to store it in a file called speech.mp3. So this is the file where the audio will be stored. And in the next line I just want to mention the language is English. And in the next line here's a I just want to create a variable now, sp, nothing but speech in the short form here, not small g tts. It's a function, right? In this I just want to type the text. In this text I'll just type here the text file, whichever, let's say whatever I want to print. Let's say hello, welcome to YouTube. So after this put a comma, and after that I just want to create a variable language is equals to language, just specifying it. And the next one is slow. Oh, let me show you here. I think you guys are unable to see. Slow equals to false. If I type slow is equals to true, the text to speech function, module, will speak very slowly in a slow motion. So I'll show you in the next, after this attempt. After this I just want to save this, sp.save here audio. That's it. In the next line I just want to play. So play sound, Here I just want to type audio, that's it. So let me just run this, guys. I think you guys can hear the sound. Looks crazy, right? So this is the thing, guys, I just want to share with you the major 3 Python projects, basic projects which are useful to you guys. I hope you really enjoy this video. Let me know in the comment section and hit the blue color like button so that I can create a lot of videos just like this. So before going, new viewers, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. Take care, bye bye.